Listen, you guys, I ain't even gonna act like I'm gonna unbox this or anything like that. Listen, I got this at the LV Barber Expo. Shout out to Dennis hooking me up with the FX1. But yeah, this trimmer, pretty dope. It got a button on the back, a release button for the battery. Take it out, you get to charge it on this dock right here. You basically just put it in, boom, the light lights up ever so gently, charge it, take it out, put it back in the trimmer, just like the Snap FX, all right? But this one's definitely cooler because you get to use this battery. If you got the FX1 clipper, you get to use the battery in all of the different clippers and stuff like that. So that's pretty dope. Came with this sticker. The sticker is pretty hard. But yeah, I did use these already. These hit straight out of the box. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Stay tuned.
I won't deny it, I'm a straight waver.
Alright you guys, so before you actually start cutting, what you want to do is comb the hair out. What you're doing is lifting the waves off of the scalp, making it easier for the hair to feed into the teeth of the blades. Alright you guys, so my client wanted a 2 on top, so I went ahead and grabbed my 2 guard with the lever fully closed. Using my Stylecraft instincts, I'm going with the grain. Now my client has a shag in the back. I'm not gonna cut that, I'm just gonna coast right, just above it. I'm gonna later then come behind it and shape it up, but for now, I'm just gonna work on taking off the bulk and coasting what I need to coast in the back. So my client wants a burst taper, so I'm gonna start off with the bald line using my Babyliss FX. I'm gonna set it in a triangle-like shape and take out the bulk at the bottom. Next step, with the lever open, I'm going around that triangle-like shape, more in a rainbow-like shape. But you can also go in the exact shape that you set the ball line in. I just feel like eventually it's gonna come out in a rainbow-like shape anyway, so that's how I'm gonna set it in. So the same thing that I did with the lever open, I'm doing the same thing with the 1 guard open. All right, I'm setting in my next guideline, going up about a 1/2 inch. Now I'm just gonna close the lever on that one guard and basically soften up that middle line. All right, I'm not gonna just attack the top bulk just right away because I kind of want to blend down so I don't take the fade too high. Next, putting on the zero guard with the lever fully closed. In a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Remember, I'm using my corners the entire time. I'm not using that full blade because it's a shape that I want to stay intact. Next, with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Remember, use your corners the entire time, all right? Start below the line and flick to the line. So lastly, I'm just gonna detail my work. What I like to do is I like to look in the mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend than just seeing it head on, all right? So make sure you use your corners and debulk those areas where you see bulk. Detailing is extremely important. As you can see, the top is a little bit bulky. I'm gonna use my one guard and kind of go with the grain and take some of that bulk off at the top. But for the most part, as a waver, you want to keep that bulk because those are your waves that you have up there. So we want to keep waves closest to the hairline as possible. So that's why I go with the grain.
I won't deny it, I'm a straight waver.
waver haircut, what you want to do is end it with a freehand trim. What this is going to do is going to knock off those little frizz hairs that's on top. and it's gonna make everything look laid. All right, so that's what we want as waivers, everything to look laid down and nice and neat. So my client came in looking like this. When you look at this, you probably don't think that you could do nothing with it. But at the end of the day, if you don't believe,
God did. I won't deny
you
I'm
too.
straight
This is the cat. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother. He does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official 360 Jeezy and my Instagram is 360 Jeezy. But it's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm out of here.